Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICNB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action, 1 day, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And want to get things updated here a little bit. A good day in a sense, but it wasn't quite as good as I'm sure some were hoping. I mean, it started off very, very strong, and then the price leveled off here, and then the seller showed back up and pushed the price essentially right back down to where it closed. So it closed yesterday right here, and then closed today just slightly above it. So kind of a very anticlimactic day in the sense of things were looking huge, and then all of a sudden everything's right back to where it started. But nonetheless, good to see that the bulls were able to push to new highs here, but that's definitely given us some more data points that we can talk about. So the first thing I'm going to do is just do a little house cleaning, get rid of this green line down here. I'm doing that because from the big picture perspective, we're monitoring the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, meaning as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. And, the purple line has crossed up above that green line. Therefore, that takes top priority. And within the next couple of days, it's looking like the purple line will get, crossing up above that green line there. And at that point in time, I'll delete that green line out of there. But as it stands right now, that hasn't happened. So I want to keep that level of support in there. And that level is at 0.017. In regards to levels of resistance, right here at 0.0205, that's still a level of resistance. It was definitely broken, but you can see after the price fell back below it, it just struggled to get back up above it. Got back up above it several times, but could never stay up above it. So it could never maintain and get that true break. So 0.0205 is that initial area of resistance. But if the price can push back through it, and this is where our new data is coming into play now, next level of resistance up there at 0.023. So keep an eye on these two levels. If the price can get up through 0.023, then you can start talking about, doing battle with the previous highs up here around 0.026, but no point in talking about 0.026 until the price can first clear these couple levels of resistance here. So by no means was it a terrible day, but it wasn't a great day either. And from the big picture of things, though, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And if you're one of those that are concerned about the long-term uptrend, like I said, that's still totally in play. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.